Welcome to this special moment. My name is Jordi, and I'm delighted to guide you through today's meditation. The fact that you've taken this time for yourself shows your commitment to deepening your awareness and connection with your true self. You've made a commendable choice to pause, listen, and reconnect with your inner being. Today, we will embark on a journey filled with light and love, where you will connect with your spiritual guides, angels, and beings of light. These entities are always ready to assist and guide you in your life. Through this meditation, you will have the opportunity to open your heart and receive the guidance and protection from these divine beings. Before we begin, gently close your eyes and start taking deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath, counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, slowly exhale, counting to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat this cycle a few times. Feel how each breath in brings you peace, and each breath out releases any tension or anxiety within you. Now, imagine a pure white light gradually appearing from the vast universe. This light radiates pure, warm energy filled with love. It slowly moves closer to you, bringing with it a sense of peace and tranquility. As this light reaches the top of your head, feel it gently entering your body through the crown. The light begins to spread, gradually filling your entire being. Feel the purification this light brings as it moves down your head, neck, and shoulders, releasing any residual tension or anxiety. The light continues to flow through your arms, chest, and heart, bringing a profound sense of love and peace. Allow this light to flow down to your abdomen, cleansing each internal organ and bringing deep relaxation. Finally, this pure white light moves down to your legs, removing any remaining fatigue. Now, let this divine light completely fill your body. Feel it envelop, protect, and cleanse you, bringing you into a state of total peace and stillness. Now that you feel the divine light filling your body, bringing peace, invite your spiritual guides, angels, and beings of light to join you. Close your eyes, open your heart, and send an invitation from within. Dear spiritual guides, angels, and beings of light, I invite you to join me in this moment. I call upon your presence to support and guide me on my journey. Feel their presence as you invite them, like a wave of warmth and love surrounding you. They come not just to protect you, but to bring peace, helping you overcome the challenges in your life. It feels like a warm embrace of light is holding you, protecting and comforting you with infinite love. Now, open your heart to receive the messages from your spiritual guides. It might be a gentle feeling, an image that appears in your mind, or a soft whisper from deep within your heart. Let your mind and heart be open, ready to receive whatever comes to you. Don't worry if you don't receive a clear response immediately. Sometimes guidance comes to us in subtle and delicate ways, perhaps through a feeling of peace or a sudden thought. Trust that whether you receive an immediate response or not, you are loved and guided by these beings of light. Now that you've interacted and received guidance from your spiritual guides, angels, and beings of light, take a moment to express your sincere gratitude. In your mind or out loud say, "Thank you, dear spiritual guides, angels and beings of light, for being with me during this meditation. I appreciate the love, protection, and guidance you have brought into my life." Feel the gratitude flowing from deep within your heart, spreading throughout your body like a warm and peaceful current. This connection is not just a moment in meditation, but an eternal bond, helping you feel supported and loved at all times. Know that these beings of light are always with you, ready to assist and guide you on your life's journey. Now, allow your body to relax even deeper, preparing for a peaceful and restful sleep. Feel each part of your body gradually releasing, sinking into stillness and tranquility. The divine light continues to protect and surround you, bringing a sense of absolute safety. As you prepare to sleep, remind yourself that you are protected and loved. Feel yourself drifting into sleep with a serene soul, wrapped in the embrace of divine light. All worries and tension have melted away, and now it's time for you to rest completely. Allow yourself to drift into sleep, knowing that you will wake up tomorrow with renewed energy, full of life and light. Wishing you a peaceful and restful night.